Hi, today I'm at one of my favorite home decor stores called Eco Corner in Sky Zone, Phoenix Mills, Mumbai. Earlier, eco products were perceived to be something as very boring, but Eco Corner has changed that perception completely.
Eco Corner was launched on the 20th of May in 2006 at the Atrium Mall in Berlin.
Whether it's a coaster, it's a handbag, it's a diary, or a showpiece which you can just put up on your mantle or on your desk, even if it's a cushion cover like you can see, it's all fun, it's all quiche, and it's all completely eco-friendly.
The whole objective then was to bring about a bridge between eco and friendly products that are very fun, products that are very vibrant, not the usual brown and beiges.
What lures me back to the store is their latest and hottest collection, which I call the Totally Filmy collection. They have the choices from the world of Hollywood, Bollywood and South Indian films. Eco Corner's new collection also sells brilliantly colored cotton bags, some capturing the beauty of Bollywood divas and others the romance of Hollywood. Each one a masterpiece. So whether it's a dream girl or the Roman holiday scenes, breakfast at Tiffany's or even the classic lines of Casablanca, you've got them all here.
It's one of the hottest selling designs of ours, the Meena Kumari. Be it on the bag, the clutch or the wallet, it's always a sellout.
And here are some beautiful, interesting looking coasters, ranging from films like Dawn, Pyasa, Bawarchi, Amar Prem to name a few, and a set that even pays tribute to the late Rajesh Khanna.
We call it the tribute to Rajesh Khanna. So the coasters are a set of six with six different movies of his. And the best part is that the coasters are made from recycled material, which is the wood recycling, so it's called MDF. So that's what makes the product eco-friendly also.
Oh my god, look at this.
Yeah, that's like a really hot selling retro clutch. Yeah. It also has a chain inside, so you can even use it as a sling bag. All our products, the bags, the cushion covers and the clutches and wallets are made from 100% cotton.
Would look really nice on anything.
Absolutely. It can be worn with both westerns and with Indian outfits. It adds a lot of occasion to your wardrobe.
This is the Padhosan look.
Yes,
She is so cute. I love the movie. This is going to look good in anyone's bag. 100% eco-friendly, and it's got the Tamil Super Kings on it.
We have a large segment of the products which are designed by our in-house designers and manufactured and retailed by Eco Corner. And over and above that, we work with some outside designers and get their products in, because we want to give a huge variety to our customers with different kinds of designing. So we can't get that all by ourselves. So we have a whole team working with us.
But this collection is all done in-house?
Absolutely, absolutely. We call it the Pop Art Collection. It's a collection of 4 different colors of blocks here with handmade papers inside, 100% eco-friendly. The best part is because the products are in-house, we also customize the products as per a person's or a corporate's requirement of design, sizes, quantities and color combinations. So there's a huge range that one can opt from, the cushion covers, fridge magnets, coasters, to even simple notebooks. This is our flagship store at Eco Corner. Over and above this, we have 10 shop-in-shops with landmark stores across the country. So we have 2 in Pune, we have 2 in Bangalore, 3 in Mumbai running currently. We're looking at launching them at Delhi and Hyderabad also. And we also sell them online at different websites.
It was lovely meeting you today, Urvashi. All the best to Eco Corner and to you and to your creative team, who's putting in so much effort to give us all these wonderful products. I'm going to be definitely shopping for this and everything that I can lay my hands on.
Thanks so much, Pallavi. Thank you so much for coming in.